Hallo Leute, welcome to our channel Deutsche Grammatik. This is the fourth part of videos on German cases, and in this part we will be learning about the genitive case. If you haven't seen our videos on nominative, accusative and dative case, here is the link. So let's start with the genitive case. In German, the genitive case is used for following. First is to show possession or belonging or ownership. For example, das Buch meines Vaters ist verloren. In this example, we want to show that the book belongs to my father or it is owned by my father. So we use genitive case. The next case is when we want to use of in English if it refers to a part or a component of something. For example, die Farbe meines Hauses ist dunkel. Here we want to show the color of my house, so we are using the genitive case. Also, there are some prepositions like wegen, trotz, während, anstatt, etc., which always demand genitive case. We will learn about these prepositions in further videos. Now let's see the formation of genitive case. The formation of genitive case is a bit different as it adds an ending to the articles as well as the nouns in masculine and neutral gender. Let's first discuss the definite and indefinite articles in genitive case. The definite article in masculine is des plus es or s. For feminine it is there. For neutral it is des plus es or s. And for plural it is there. The indefinite article in masculine is eines plus es or s. For feminine it is einer, and for neutral it is eines plus es or s. So if we observe this, we can understand that both indefinite and definite articles for masculine and neutral are same, and that for feminine and plural are same. Now let's see in detail how do these nouns get their endings. The first case is ending s. If a masculine or neutral noun has more than one syllable, it gets an ending s. For example, their Vater becomes des Vaters, das Waiter becomes des Waiters. The next case is ending es. If a masculine or neutral noun has only one syllable, it gets an ending es. For example, their Mann becomes des Mannes, their Buch becomes des Buches. Also, if a masculine or neutral noun ends with s or z or tz or sch or st or sz, it gets an ending es. For example, their Tisch becomes des Tisches, das Haus becomes des Houses, their Fuß becomes des Fußes. Using these rules, you can easily decide which ending is correct. Now, just a small tip that you should know when you are learning genitive case. Over the time, the use of genitive case has been reduced. The genitive case is mostly used for formal language and for high-level scripts. Especially in spoken language, genitive case has been replaced by dative case. For example, das Haus meines Bruders. We can write this sentence as das Haus von meinem Bruder. So here, instead of using genitive case to show the ownership of house, we say Haus von meinem Bruder. And since the preposition von is used, it takes dative case. The use of von plus dative is simpler than genitive case. So this was the genitive case, and in next video we will have a review on all the 4 German cases. Vielen Dank. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Also, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Truce, see you next time.